So I'm nearing my trip. My one full day in Nagoya. I was contemplating on just resting and sorting my shit out, but I'll do it when I get back. Gotta make the most of it, you know? Can't be just sitting in the hotel and relaxing just because you're tired. I'm in Japan. But yeah, see how it goes. We're going to this market, so I don't know if it's still open, but we'll have a look. Let's go. I think of all the quick, easy meals you can get here, this is the best. Spicy chicken and pancake. So simple, easy, and delicious, filling. That's the result. Simple. We're about halfway through to the thing. We're going to cross this cool bridge. So it's on the other side of the bridge, right? It's a cool skate park down there. Found myself at a crossroads. Look at these buildings, they're so fucking cool. Might be the first roundabout I've seen here. That's crazy. Alright, I was just around the corner from where I came from. What the heck? Alright, so we're approaching. Yeah, oh, something I miss about home. But this is a Kannon, but then get the markets. It's so cool. It's an antique market. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So yeah, this is the markets that only happen in Abu Kannon every month. The antique market. It's cool as thing here. It's a cool temple. I love this. It reminds me of Avondale markets when it was thriving, booming. Maybe they should adopt the same thing once a month. I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty humble little shopping arcade. Some nice second-hand stores and stuff down there. Kimonos and everything. Yeah, pretty discreet. I don't know where to head to next though. Let's go. Alright, forgive me for not knowing the name of the park. But it's giving me like, if you have played Yakuza, it's like that Yakuza 0, there's like that gambling area in the game, in the park. Or it's like a homeless area, my bad. This reminds me of it for some reason. So yeah, this is the Higashi markets. It's a bit different. It's not, the other one's an antique one, this one's more like a food, modern day one. But yeah, look, it's pretty cool. I haven't seen anything I really want, but yeah, I'm just gonna go look around. The temple's massive too. But yeah, that orange truck there, it's called YOLO, so I just decided to grab something. It looked nice, roast pork beef, but I don't know which out this. Maybe just book off and then head back. But yeah, let's go. Okay, that's the Jingu Tenma station, and that's our goal. Another book off plus. Let's go. Here we are, approaching another book off. Yeah. Here we are. This is how, like, I don't know what number book off this is, but let's go. That's pretty cool. Pretty massive. Damn, there's a bit of things I wish I recorded here. Mainly at night, my last meal here in Nagoya, which was the spicy ass ramen. It was just funny. But yeah, no, Nagoya is dope. I would definitely want to revisit this place if I come back to Japan. But yeah, if you reach this far, you probably realize the vlogs are getting more scuff and short, just because I feel like it was getting near the end of my trip in Japan, which is pretty sad. But yeah,